Starting an LLC in Florida is a smart move for anyone looking to kickstart their business journey. The LLC structure is particularly appealing because it combines the simplicity and flexibility of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. This means you get the best of both worlds. Your business profits pass through your personal income without being double taxed, and you also enjoy a shield against personal liability for business debts. Before we jump in, just a quick note, the link in the description is an affiliate link for busy.com. Clicking it helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Alright, let's break down the process and add some more details to ensure you're fully equipped to start your LLC in Florida. First, understanding LLCs in Florida. An LLC, or a limited liability company, is a legal entity you can create to run a business. It's like a hybrid, offering you the tax benefits of a sole proprietorship or partnership and the liability protection of a corporation. This structure is popular among new business owners because it's relatively easy to set up and manage, and it doesn't require the extensive paperwork and formalities of a C corporation. Next, pros and cons of an LLC in Florida. Starting an LLC in Florida comes with its advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, you have flexibility in how you're taxed, less paperwork compared to a C corporation, and no limits on the number of members your LLC can have. Profits go directly to the owners without being taxed at the company level, which means you avoid the double taxation that corporations can face. Additionally, your personal assets are protected, meaning personal liability is limited. However, there are some cons. For example, if you want to pay yourself wages directly from the company, you'd need to elect S corporation taxation. There's an annual renewal fee to keep your LLC in good standing, and while the flow-through taxation model reduces double taxation, raising capital can be more challenging because you can issue stock in the same way a corporation can. Setting up your Florida LLC in detail. Now, let's dive deeper into the steps for forming your LLC in Florida, incorporating additional insights and clarifications. Step number 1, choosing your LLC's name. The name you choose for your LLC is crucial. It's not just a label, it's your business's identity. Start by checking the Florida Department of State's business entity search engine to ensure your desired name isn't already taken. If you're not ready to launch your LLC immediately, you can reserve your chosen name for up to 120 days by submitting a request and a $25 fee to the Secretary of State. This reservation protects your name from being snagged by someone else in the meantime. Step number 2, designating a registered agent. Every LLC in Florida must have a registered agent. This person or company receives important legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. You can choose to be your own registered agent if you're a Florida resident over 18 years of age with a physical address in the state. However, remember that an LLC can act as its own agent. Hiring a registered agent service can offer you peace of mind if you prefer to focus on running your business without worrying about missing critical legal notices. Step number 3, filing the articles of organization. The next step is to make it official by filing your LLC's articles of organization with the Florida Department of State. This can be done online for convenience or via mail if you prefer. The filing fee is $125, whether you're starting a domestic LLC within Florida or registering a foreign LLC to do business in the state. This fee covers the cost of processing your LLC's formation documents and is a necessary investment in your business's legal foundation. Navigating business licenses in Florida. Not every business in Florida needs a state-issued license, but certain activities are regulated and require specific licenses. For example, professions like architects, real estate brokers, and medical professionals need state licenses to operate legally. Additionally, local governments in Florida may require business licenses, so it's important to check with your city or county. If you plan to sell or lease tangible property, you'll also need a seller's permit from the Florida Department of Revenue. Financial considerations for your Florida LLC. After your LLC is established, there are several key financial tasks to tackle. First, set up an operating agreement. This document, while not required by the state, outlines how your LLC will function and the roles of its members. It's a blueprint for your business's structure and operations, helping to ensure clarity and prevent disputes down the line. Next, obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is free and can be done quickly online. Your EIN is like a social security number for your business, necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, and setting up business bank accounts. Speaking of bank accounts, it's crucial to open one specifically for your business. This helps keep your personal and business finances separate, protecting your personal assets and making tax time much simpler. You might also consider applying for business credit cards and loans to help with startup costs and cash flow. Insurance is another important consideration. Depending on your business type, you may need various policies such as general liability insurance or workers' compensation insurance if you have employees. An insurance agent can help you determine what coverage is appropriate for your LLC. Managing your LLC's taxes. One of the perks of forming an LLC in Florida is the state's tax structure. Florida doesn't have a personal income tax, which is beneficial if your LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or S corporation. However, if you opt for C corporation taxation, your LLC would be subject to Florida's corporate tax rate of 5.5%. Many LLCs choose pass-through taxation to avoid this, but consulting with an accountant can help you decide the best tax strategy for your business. Keeping your LLC compliant. Florida requires LLCs to file an annual report to keep their information current with the state. This report is not a financial statement, but rather an update on basic details like your registered agent and business address. The filing fee for the annual report is $138.75. Staying on top of this requirement is crucial for maintaining your LLC's good standing and avoiding penalties. Expanding your LLC. As your business grows, you may need to add members to your LLC. The process for this should be outlined in your operating agreement. If you don't have one, you'll need to follow Florida's statutes, which typically involve a vote by existing members. Adding a member often means amending your operating agreement and possibly your articles of organization. So it's important to handle these changes formally and keep your state filings up to date. Changing your LLC's name or adding a DBA, doing business as name, can also be part of your business's evolution. The process involves checking for name availability, getting approval from your members, and filing the necessary paperwork with the state. Each change has a fee and requires updating your official records to reflect the new information. Final thoughts. Starting your LLC in Florida is a big step towards making your business idea a reality. By following these steps, you're building a strong foundation for your business. If you need tools or help to make this easier, check out busy.com through my affiliate link down in the description. It supports the channel and helps us bring you more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. Till next time.